Hey guys! Today I want to share with you the behind the scene of me doing a twins cake smash session and walk you through 5 steps to complete a cake smash which you can do for your own kids. Let's go! The first step is making the cake. I used the butter cake mix, there's instruction on the back. Super easy. I baked 4 of them as a base. The second step is to frost your cake. I used ready-to-go buttercream frosting in vanilla. It's a cream color. The buttercream frosting is from our local grocery store. All I did was apply with a spatula and a rotary cake stand. Step 3 is to decorate your cakes. Then I bought a bunch of fresh flowers and thinking to decorate my cakes. This is the key to turn yourself into a professional baker. I use fresh flowers and some cake toppers to decorate my cakes, and also to hide some of the not so perfect parts from my cakes. Step 4 is to decorate your background. Sometimes I use themed backdrops, but this time I want a relatively large one to show twins, so I use my seamless background. The seamless paper is about 2.6 meters wide and 10 meters long. So me and my assistant Jenny used artificial flowers and home decor items. I used the fish lines to hang the flower arrangement above, then adding some balloons. 按一下它就出现，放进去，就是绕，你会炸了。你只要按一下，然后松了就好了，你不能一直按着。你这个手要拿捏得当，这样一下，然后发现它足够大，再来一点点，然后就好了。我汗都出来了。I think we need some practice for the balloons. Sissi from Just Kitty Photography Studio. Today we've got a twin cake smash photo shoot session. As you can see behind me, I have styled, what should I call it? What kind of styling is it? It's probably a little bit boho, a little bit fancy, and I don't know, I lost my words. This style needs a lot of time to prepare because we only have one seamless backdrop. Everything up there made from scratch. In today's video, I'll show you how I styled this setup for the twin session. Obviously 2 cakes, 2 babies, 2 baby girls. And you'll also see some behind the scene of me shooting the twins. I don't know how they will behave. They won't arrive until another half an hour. So me and my assistant was here yesterday cutting out some of the flowers. She was helping me arranging that bit and I was doing the other bit. That one up there was created by my son's daycare center. Can you believe that? I borrowed it because I think it works well with this setup. And we blowed up some balloons. All the balloons we blowed up yesterday, and we tied them up with the fish line. I don't know if you can see the fishing line here, very thin. 3 fishing lines above the horizontal bar, which is the backdrop stand. The horizontal bar, the backdrop stand, is about 40 centimeters away from the backdrop. The backdrop is seamless paper from ceiling to here. I left about 2 meters on the floor so that we could blur out the background and there's some distance to play around, since this is a 2 kids photo shoot. So as you can see, we have spent quite a fair bit of time in the studio, about an hour to an hour and a half styling today's session. I didn't quite get the flowers that I was really after. The petals need something in my head. It's like the flowers petals need to be big and fully blossom. The color needs to be like a vintage rose rather than pink, you know, and cream color, that kind of color palette. So I didn't get what I wanted, so I picked up that bunch just so that I think I could use the leaves and those little bits and pieces and style with and start with my false flowers I have in my studio. And for these cakes I made about a couple of days ago. It's very simple. It's a nude cake. It's my first time making 2 cakes at the same time, and it's my first time making this kind of nude cake. It's not super perfect as you could see. It's not super sharp as I would want it. As you can see, it doesn't really matter. You know, cakes are just part of the accessories. I like styling cake smashes every time customized. It's fun. You know, it's boring to repeat the same setups over and over again, especially with my newborn and my cake smash sessions. I really put a lot of time and effort into styling. My clients came to me because of this. So I don't think they would really mind the cakes not being super perfect, as long as they turn out great in the photos. Okay, I think the clients are coming. Fingers crossed they will behave. Step 5, here comes the fun part. We shoot the babies. Yep. Beautiful. I start with both of them getting together with the cake. Not so much tasting or playing around the cakes, but the whole entire theme. And then I get them to interact with the cakes. Then one baby starts to cry. So Dad was settling her whilst I get some individual shots for the other baby who enjoyed the cake so much. After I thought I've got enough individual shots for one baby, I laid both of them down. Obviously they will cry. A lot of baby cries with those KO photos. You guys just put one baby down like on their back. Yep. And with the legs hanging up. Yep. It doesn't matter if they cry. It doesn't. I think the KO photos are very fun. They add some personalities to your baby's photos. Every baby is different. They react differently. After the KO photos, I was focusing on the other baby as I didn't get enough of hers. Okay, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today as much as I enjoy every session of mine. Being creative is one thing and being patient with the kids is another. Whether you are a photographer or you are a mum wanting to capture your own kid, get your hands on the Cake Smash photo shoot. It's fun. Make sure you tag me once you've done your photos. You can find me on Instagram, just Kitty Photography Studio. Looking forward to see your work.